Hi, bit of a random cut, but bumper's back from paint. Might throw on the old splitter for now, just to make it faster. But I want this bumper on right now. I need to see this bumper on right now. I'll spare you the details. Here it goes. Ta-da!
Not bad, right? I'm still tucking away some stuff. I did a bunch of rib nut inserts all on the bottom. Before it was just a bunch of nuts and bolts. You had to reach in with a wrench and then undo it from the bottom. No more of that. I've run out of the rib certs, whatever they're called. I can never get it right. So I got most of them, but maybe 2 bolts I gotta take out by doing it the old-fashioned way. It's come along quite nicely, don't you think?
Update. Here's what's been going on. This has been kicking my ass, just trying to get this bumper on with a half-decent fitment, but it's on. Bumper is on. This, I had to drill out 2 new holes, so that way it fits properly, but now I know that all of these holes are in the correct places, so I can more or less take this, sit it over the other splitter or the piece of plywood and drill through it. Also, check this out. So we're crawling under the car right now. I've somehow managed to get M12 rivet inserts or riv nuts jammed into the subframe. I didn't drill any holes. These are the factory holes that are here, but these are the ones that are furthest back is what I'm using. And of course washers and such to tidy up that. And I put riv nuts under the bumper as well, so that way I don't have to use nuts and bolts. It's just bolts and riv nut inserts. And I've ran out for that one, and there's like another arm here, and there's no hardware stores that carry them, so I'll have to order a whole another pack on Amazon or something. But yep, coming together pretty well, pretty well.
What? What's going on?
Hello, it's me. I haven't been doing too many updates because this has kind of been, it's been fighting me a bit. This car has been a lot of battles, so check it out. We've got the bumper is on, most of the splitter is on, but a bit of a problem with the splitter. I'll show you. So the problem is here, this is the back of the splitter. I put it at rib nut insert here. I meant to put it up there because I took it down and I was like, there's a lot of holes here. I don't remember which one was which. It was the wrong one. But the problem is the hole like is bigger or something just down here because it doesn't even go in. Like I can't put in an insert up there. So I'm gonna make with a piece of sheet scrap metal a little bracket that just goes from here to here, and then eventually, because I have already cut out the other piece of plywood for this splitter, I messed up bad. I'm gonna have to get another sheet of plywood and cut this, but leave this longer in the back so it'll come back, and that way I'll be able to safely just have it straight into the car instead of a little bracket, because that's a little bit of a weak spot. All right, we're in the back of the shop. So I've already done half of this. This is my piece of scrap metal that I'm using. It's pretty thick, which is good. This is my other piece. I'm more or less just going to copy the template. I'll have to drill this hole bigger here, and then I'll just mark it the same way, drill another hole, paint it. Terrific. Well, it'll be close enough. I'm gonna go see if this bracket's gonna work for the other side. Give me a second.
You've come a long way, Heavenly Car.
Fuck you!
Oh man, what a difference. I don't care what anybody says, paint makes a difference. Paint your shit. I can't believe where this car started when I got it. Not even a year ago. And it's, I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy with this. This is pretty crazy to me that I own this. Life's good. Well, this aspect of my life. I'll take this. This is good. Crazy. So that's it. Bumper's on the car, it's painted, got some plywood on it, a little bit of an air dam. So yeah, it's, ignore the squeaking, that's my bumper to fender fitment. But it's on the car. And if I decide to take this thing to the track, which I really want to do, I'm sure it'll help out greatly, just like it did with the orange car. Kind of scared to take it to the track because here locally, cops kind of been staking it out a little bit and just pulling people over and finding them when they leave the track. So I don't really know what to do there. It kind of makes me scared, but dang it, it looks like it's ready for the track. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I don't have a radio in this thing, and nor do I have any speakers. So my buddy Nick and I are probably going to do a radio install on this thing soon. I got a little adapter kit from Amazon and all that kind of stuff, so it'll be nice to have some tunes when I'm cruising instead of just listening to the engine, which is nice sometimes, but I want to listen to music as well. So if you like what you saw, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Peace.